Miller?
Yes, Your Honor. Hi, I am here, ready to proceed on Mr. Watts.
Okay, Dorian Watts is here too.
And I apologize for the delay, Your Honor. If you had tried calling me before.
Okay, 1 second. Mr. Wagner? Put yourself on mute for a minute, Attorney Miller.
Yes, good morning.
Your connection is terrible, Mr. Wagner.
Excuse me, Mr. Wagner. Get off of Metro PCS and try T-Mobile, because just like the judge said, your connection is horrible. And if you can't get it corrected, then you need to come in person to court.
Attorney Robinson, are you able to talk now or no?
How about now? Is the connection better?
It sounds much better. Your counsel may be in court though. So give us 1 second.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right, put yourself back on mute.
6 hours later.
Dorian Watt, you can unmute yourself, press *6.
That's me.
Now calling the matter of the
Can you hear
people
me?
versus. Yes, I can, Mr. Watts. Now calling the matters of the people versus Dorian Dwayne Watts. This is ticket SP 1385559. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket SP 1385568, defective windshield. Ticket SP 1322740, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 1, count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket SP 1183392. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket SP 1322760, drove while license not valid. Ticket SP 1385573, failed to secure load. Count 1, count 2, failed to tarp load. And ticket number SP 1385617, 1 count drove while license suspended.
It sounds like this gentleman was driving commercially, for commerce. So I know he's not going to be able to try the I was traveling and not driving nonsense.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. True Science appearing on behalf of YouTube.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller, P86290, on behalf of Mr. Dorian Watts, who is present via Zoom with the call-in feature. Mr. Watts, please state your full name for the record.
Dorian Dwayne Watts.
All right, now we proceed in counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. As the court is aware, there is a number of tickets in this matter. I am requesting one. I believe today was the final pretrial. Is that correct, Your Honor?
Today is just, yes, pretrial.
Okay, I'm just requesting one additional pretrial, Your Honor, to get proper documentation and be able to work out these numerous tickets with the prosecutor's office. And I'm hoping that we will have resolution at the next hearing.
Oh, okay, let me look, because it says he wants a trial. So today is final pretrial. He's scheduled for a jury trial on 10/16. Did you know that?
That's correct.
Sorry, I'm double checking my.
Hold on,
Mr.
if you excuse me, John.
No.
Okay.
1 second. Let me see what she's talking about.
Oh, I apologize, Your Honor. That is what I have written down. I apologize. It's been a moment since we've been before Your Honor. So yes, that is what I have as well. There has not been a resolution.
Okay. So we're gonna have a jury trial on 10/16?
Yes, Your Honor.
In person. All right. So any jury instructions you need to be provided to the court that day. We'll do a jury selection. Report to my courtroom at 9:30 a.m. At 9:30 a.m. And we'll begin jury selection. I'll have to finish my morning docket, but as soon as I finish my morning docket, they'll call up the jurors and we'll begin selection for that day, okay?
Very well, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right.
Your Honor, I have something I want to state. I have something to say, Your Honor.
Go ahead, Mr. Watts.
Your Honor, I have relevant witnesses that I wish to call to this matter.
Yeah, okay. So,
If
Mr. Watts,
I'm ready to go to trial, and I have relevant witnesses that I would like to indicate on the record right now to be called.
Excuse me, sir, but you'll be able to call your witnesses when your trial starts. Today isn't your trial. And furthermore, there's no need for you to be blurting that out in court. Like, what's wrong with you?
To this jury trial.
So, Mr. Watts, you and I will discuss that, and we will bring that with us as part of our jury instructions and the documentation that we provide to the court. So you and I will discuss that, and we'll have them brought for your trial on Monday, okay? So you and I will talk.
So when will we get a chance to talk?
I'm going to call you this afternoon.
Hello? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, all right.
Yep, you're very welcome.
But let me just say this here for the record. If my witnesses ain't in court, I'm not going to be prepared for trial.
Well, you've had plenty of time to get your witnesses together, so that's going to be a personal thing and not a thing for this court.
Yeah, I have another question. I have one more question for the court.
Mr. Watts.
I can't say nothing else, huh?
I'm just going to tell you right now. So you have had the opportunity to get all of your witnesses together. We picked this jury trial date back in July. It's August, September, October. It's like 3 months later.
Well, Your Honor, I told my lawyer and I have informed the courts that I want to call Judge William Haley to the courts. I want to subpoena him. Judge William Haley, I want to subpoena federal agent David Harmon to this trial. And if they not going to be in trial, Your Honor, you might well just put a warrant out for my arrest. Okay. And do what you got to do.
Okay. All right. I remember who this is now, Attorney Miller. I got you. No worries. All right.
Yeah, I want to subpoena people. I have subpoena power.
You have subpoena power? Sir, what in the doohickey are you talking about? You must be out of your mind if you think that a judge and the FBI are going to show up for your little traffic court case. Come on, bruh.
Okay. All right. So I'll have Ms. Miller get with me. If she thinks, Mr. Watt, if she thinks that it's relative to these particular cases and these particular matters,
they are definitely relevant to this case. They're definitely relevant to this case.
Mr. Watts.
They're definitely relevant to the case.
Mr. Watts, well, I can't.
Hold on, let me ask you a question. I have a question for you personally. Didn't you arraign me on a domestic violence and traffic warrants before in 2019?
No, I don't do domestic violence.
Okay, well, somebody arraigned me and gave me $100,000 cash bond and didn't show up. And I stayed in jail for 5 days. So, Your Honor, whatever the state of Michigan got on me, they need to be taking it out them 5 days and that $100,000 cash bond. Because that's what I'm going to be talking about in front of the jury, and I'm entitled to do that. And I'm taking a stand in my own behalf.
Yeah, this dude is definitely off his rocker. First and foremost, if that is your plan, why are you laying it out for the judge and the prosecutor to hear? And secondly, this is just traffic court. So why are you acting as if this your court case is the end all be all and end of the world? Like, you really need to stop it.
You have that right to take the stand in your own behalf. Now, what I instruct the jury,
yes, ma'am, I do.
Maybe not to, so it has to pertain to this particular case, and it has to be relevant to this particular case, Mr. Watts. And there are
everything is relevant to this particular. If the police pull me over for driving on suspended license, I got relevant witnesses that confirm my license shouldn't be suspended through all the corruption I done been through. Hey, y'all, I've been home since I went home from the penitentiary for almost over 35 years, and I ain't never had $100,000 cash bond. And somebody gonna answer to it. And it's corruption all the way through because of Lieutenant Nate Anderson's death. And I'm fed up with the state of Michigan. They gonna listen to me this time. That's what the state gonna do. I have relevant witnesses and documentation that the state of Michigan forged my signature when I was a kid for 25 years. I have the document to prove it, and the state ain't got nothing else coming from me. Nothing. I mailed them, I paid my tickets with monopoly money. They need to address that issue as well. I'm not playing with the state of Michigan, Your Honor. They did enough for me, and it's time out. I want to change the venue. I want to change the venue.
She's trying to talk to
Attorney Miller, have you had like a long enough opportunity to talk to him? Do we need to refer him or no?
I'm sorry.
Forensic refer. Can I do that? And a misdemeanor? Or do you just want to move? I guess that's my question. Do you still want to, just want to have this trial so that, you know? Is that okay, Ms. Attorney Miller?
Yeah, I mean, I have spoken with Mr. Watts. At the time of our conversation, I didn't see any, necessity for an evaluation. I would continue on the path that we are on, Your Honor. And then when I speak with him this afternoon, I'll definitely parse out the issues.
It sounds like as long as you have it, then I'm okay. 100%. Okay. I was about to say. So, if there is a witness that you believe is relevant to the case that you are unable to subpoena, let me know, and I'll be able to do it. And we'll try and get that taken care of for you. Otherwise, I believe that you are competent to be able to handle this particular matter. Because you're looking a little surprised today, so that lets me know something further. So I appreciate that, Attorney Miller. And we will be here on Monday, okay? We'll be ready to have this whatever officers come, we'll move forward on those counts if we're unable to work something out at that time, okay?
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor. I appreciate it. Mr. Watts, you can go ahead and disconnect from the call, and I will be in contact with you later this afternoon, okay?
All right, I put him on mute, so
yeah.
But that's okay, we got it. And you have him covered, and we'll make sure that he has everything that's the counsel has been provided, and she is very much in a calm, and she has spoken to him and knows what he needs to do. So, street trial on Monday. Thank you
very much, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.